Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and this is the Diwali week video. And what is the most exciting part of all these Diwalis and festivals and everything? Of course, decorating your home. I love decorating my home, redoing my home and rooms and every now and then. But let me accept it that I am a bit lazy as well. Please comment down below if you are also lazy like me. But if you are lazy like me and if you love decorating your home, then this video is perfect for all of you. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I redo my living room for this Diwali. And trust me, it is so easy and so simple. You will be done in 2-3 hours. So without talking much, let's just get right into the video. So this is the before of my living room. This is the entrance of the door. Then first wall, which is opposite to the entrance, second wall and third wall. My fourth wall is fully covered with stones, so I'm not going to touch there. These 3 walls I'm going to redo for Diwali decorations. Firstly, let's begin with some cleaning. I'm going to remove all the pieces from this shoe rack. Also going to dust it off a little bit. And then I will remove all the pieces from this rack as well. Again, I am going to dust it off. Now, let's start decorating the room. Firstly, I am going to keep this rug in the center. And now, it's time for DIY. Now, I am going to take these tea light candles and this tape with some designs. I have taken 2 at the first, a blue and silver one, but I have not used silver because it was not looking that great. I am going to wrap this blue tape around all the tea light candles and just cut it off the extra ones which is at the back. And your DIY is ready. You have personalized very beautiful tea light candles with you. Now I am taking this Marigold Mala and I am going to apply it on the entrance. This one I got from D-Mart. You can get one from Amazon as well. I will link that in description box if you want. And now I am taking this series of Fairylights which I got from some mall for 50 bucks. And I am going to just wrap this Fairylights on the mala. And whenever you will switch on the mala, it will look very beautiful. I loved this one. I have never seen this kind of DIY somewhere else. But I just thought of making something like this. Tell me in the comment section below if you like this. Now I've taken this table in the center on the rug. Now I'm keeping this table runner on the table with this tea light holder which I got from at home. Now remember our DIY tea lights? This I've kept in a row on this shoe rack, and also I'm keeping this tea light holder. This is also from at home. Now keeping one more tea light holder in this rack. This is not actually tea light holder, this was some decor item that we got earlier. And keeping this sparrow from Chumbak on another rack with this tea light holder which we got from D-Mart. Also decorated the rack with some original marigold flower. Now keeping this side table in the corner and this vase at the back. This one is from Evok with some artificial flowers and DIY branches, and keeping this bowl full of water with marigold and rose flowers. Also made these tassels to hang around the table which looks so pretty. And finally keeping this fairy lights on the vase, and yeah, we are done. And this is how after looks like. I totally loved the vibe and how pretty it is looking with all these flowers, candles and fairy lights everywhere in the room. Also the fragrance of roses and marigold, I loved it. Totally in love this living room. And here are some close-ups. I hope you liked it. Also hung this artificial leaves veil on one of the corner just to hide the wire we had over there. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and it was also a little bit helpful for you to redo your room this week. Like we have less than a week as well for Diwali. So I thought of this very cute and easy decorations for my room which you can implement in just 2 to 3 hours. Also comment down below which was the best part of the room that you liked. Mine was the tea light candles whole line. Oh my god, it looked so pretty, and that idea of tape, it was so easy for me and I loved it. So comment down yours. Also guys, if you like this video then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.